Okay, I'm going to show you how to add things to your utility shed. It could be furniture or plants or anything extra you want to add past the basic architectural parts. So the first thing is I'm going to go to my floor plan because that's where it's easiest to add things. And then you need to be in the architecture tab, and then it's going to be a component that you're going to add. There's already some components built in, and once I've hit component and it says modify place component, I can look at what's already built in over here. In this case, we have some plants, just a little bit of stuff. So, let's try to put this desk in here, and I don't want that. Okay, so component, and then what I want to do is if it's not over here what I'm looking for, I want to hit load family. And you can take some time and look through each of these areas just to see what's there, but I'm going to go straight to furniture here. So you can see, and again, there's all sorts of different options here. I'm thinking that I want to put some kind of little day bed in there where maybe you could have a little reading nook in there. So if I look at these, I can again see a little thing over there. These are not exactly what I want, but let me just go ahead and pick one to show you how it works. So I'm going to click on that. And here's my bed that I can put in. Let's put it right there. If I hit escape, it won't put more in there. Now, a couple of things about once you've placed something. One is you can turn it, which often you want to do. So I have it highlighted. It's over here. I may want to turn it. In this case, you always want to turn unless you want it at some crazy side angle. You never want to start it like this. You want to start at either perpendicular or horizontal or vertical. And then you want to rotate it 90 degrees. Notice it's saying 90 degrees there to get it to turn perfectly. If you're starting at some funny angles, it's going to always be a problem for you. We can also mirror it, in which case you get to pick the axis over which you're mirroring. So in this case, I would click it like that. That actually made a copy of it. To get rid of something, highlight it, hit the delete key. Back to just one. So here's my thing. And I realize this is not a good place for the bed, but I'm just going to kind of show you the basics of this. What if I wanted to see what this would look like in 3D? Well, if I go to my 3D picture here, the problem is I can't see it. The bed's actually inside there and I can't see it. So remember that you can always go in and hide features. If I highlight my roof, which is part of what's in my way, right click, there's this hide in view. It does not delete it, it literally just hides it. And I can hide one item at a time, or I can hide the whole category of items. Here I might want to hide the roof so I can look inside there. Push the center mouse wheel and hold shift down and I can tilt it and see there's the bed showing up. I might also want to take and hide one or two of these walls so that once again I can see what I've done in there. Now how do I get it back once I've hidden it? Well, right here, reveal hidden elements. It's the little light bulb. Think about it that it's turning a light on the stuff you've hidden. And it shows us what we hid. If I just take and highlight like this, I can right click and unhide everything that was hidden before. Turn the light bulb off and we're back to normal. And that's how you add elements to your floor plan. Remember, once you put them in there, you can still take them, you can move them. I showed you how to copy them over, and go ahead and look at the various options right here in this section and you'll see some other options that you may find useful as you work on things in the future.